Hi, this is Neela. I'm so excited to be designing for Citrus Twist Kits, and I am using the Sparkle and Joy kit to create a December Memories album. So I'm ready to document the next set of my pages and basically want to capture the spirit of Christmas through these pages. So like the lights and the tree, the elf and the gifts. So what I've done so far is basically collected a bunch of my photos, and then I want to go and decorate each of these photos, embellish them with the beautiful embellishments that come along with this kit. And I also want to add like some pattern paper and some sparkle and gold throughout these pages. So as an introduction to these pages, the first thing that I want to do is I want to use this white cardstock, and then I want to cut out a window, a circular window that basically shows the face of my son, and I want to back it with a vellum paper, and then I want to add a sticker over there. So, and then on the other side, I want to have this pattern paper that matches the circle window on the other side. So there's going to be a circle here too, a hole here too. And then I'm going to add some journaling over here. And this side, I'm going to basically decorate it with some stars. And I still have to decide what I want to do, but most probably gold stars. So let me go ahead and cut the circle out and come back. So here I have my white cardstock with the circular window, and on the other side I have my pink pattern paper with the circular window. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to stick the vellum paper in between the two, and so here is the vellum, and I'm going to put this between the two sheets like this, and so this is going to be like a window. So let me go ahead and stick everything together. So I'm cutting down the vellum into a smaller size so that it can just sit right behind that circle window, and now I'm going to stick the pattern paper on top of it. You'll see that I cut the pattern paper like pretty badly. I mean, it was like it's a mess. So I decided to kind of add gold strips on either side. Such things are always happy accidents. With the gold strips it looks way better, and I like to add like a bunch of sparkle anyways in my December memories album. And so now I stuck a 3x4 card that I cut out and made it more like a 3x3 with some journaling, and I'm adding my gold sticker to the window. I love these gold stickers that come along with this kit, and beautiful words. I can't wait to use the rest of them too. And I feel like, oh my god, I should have added like the sparkle. Now looking at the video, I feel like I should have added the sparkle word on the photo itself with the lights. I also like these tabs a lot. They add like so much interest to the whole album, and I stuck the tab incorrectly, and then I kind of there's like a spot there, so I added a gold star. Now that looks nice too. Again, another happy accident, I guess. And I'm adding merry and bright on this side of the tab. So I also wanted to add a label with the date and one of the chipboard stickers that says "Twinkle all is bright," and I think it is perfect for this particular photo. It worked out really well. And then I added a gold heart just to make it like a little cluster. So I went ahead and modified some of the digital tags and added some text to it if you saw one of my previous videos, I showed you how you could extend a 3x4 card and then add journaling to it with Photoshop elements. And then I modified another 3x4 tag digitally to also basically create this card here where I added my journaling. So I'm trying to pull it out of the pocket. So I made 2 of these, and then with different text based on the photo that I had. So one for my son's photo, and then the other one is for my niece's photo, and they're for different years too. So what I'm going to do now is basically just add some embellishments to all the photos and finish all my pages. So I'm just adding some embellishments to each of the photos to complete the pages. I love the ephemera pack. It has a bunch of variety of different pieces that absolutely complement my photos right now. So, and now I'm adding my journaling, and I also love the puffy stickers. They add a dimension and color to the pages. And now I'm adding a label. I just wrote my journaling, it's just a single line, and adding hearts to the photo. The gold hearts, again, lot of fun. The gold sticker sheet is absolutely one of my favorites in this kit. So I love all these different photos that I collected over the years. It's so much fun to go and look at the old photos, and the old memories just come flooding back. This is a photo of my son from 2018. So, oh my God, this time of the year or this time of the season where he gets to open his gifts are absolutely his favorite time. And this is another absolute favorite photo of mine. It's of my niece, and just the sheer joy in her face. The puffy sticker that says joy is absolutely perfect for this photo. And I just love seeing how much she enjoys this season. Every year, she's been with us since she was a year old. Now in this photo, she's 3 years old. Every year you see the progress in how much she enjoys the opening of the gifts and the season. So here are all the pages that I made. Hope you enjoyed the process. So the first page is like an intro page to all the rest of the pages. And instead of vellum, you could also use transparency if that's your preference. So I love this photo of my son with the lights and the boys and the tree. This Santa stop here is like a pretty cool die cut, and a little bit of journaling about the tree. And Criddles, I mean, no album for the last, I don't know, from 2013 onwards to now is without Criddles. So Criddles needs to be there. And my younger son opening his gifts. This is 2018. And my niece opening her gifts in 2019. I think with a photo like this, really, we don't need too many embellishments. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the process and hope to see you soon. Bye.